guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you've been around here for a while, you guys know this video is long overdue, but I finally was able to create my daughter's bedroom makeover in the theme that she wanted, which was so hard to find. And so if you guys are interested to see how it turned out, make sure to keep watching. First thing I'm going to be doing is wrapping around these curtain panel LED lights. These are perfect for birthday parties and also just for a whimsical feel in the bedroom. And then I'm going to be placing the holes in the walls of where I would like to place her wall art. So I printed out 2 of these little cute cat prints from Etsy. I also ordered her a monogram because you guys know if you watch my nursery tour, I was obsessed with how it turned out, so I felt like my oldest needed one too. Now that the monogram is sturdy and in place, I'm going to go ahead and add the lamps to her bedroom. So I got these 2 mercury glass lamps, and eventually I want to put 2 mirrors behind them. But for now, this is what I have. And then I added some sparkly pillows. Eventually I want to get some gold ones, but for now I thought these were super cute and went perfect with her color scheme. Next, I just started decorating her console table. Her room is super small, you guys, so I just tried to make the best of the space that we had to work with because she does have a queen bed. So this console table was perfect with the mirror above it. It kind of makes it like a little vanity space for her. Even though she's super young, she's only 8, but I thought I would decorate it cute with some of the things that she got for Christmas, and also a little ceramic piece that she made, and a gold frame from the Dollar Tree, as well as some florals. So my daughter is a self-professed crazy cat lady, even though we don't own any cats, and so she wanted a cat themed bedroom, so I thought I would add a little couple touches here and there. I think I used about 5 things that were cat prints, and they all look exactly alike so that it all flowed cohesively. This just goes to show you this room is kind of timeless, and that's how I love to do my kids' rooms designs. I learned the hard way, you guys. I'll probably do a before and an after picture on my Instagram, so go ahead and follow me there if you haven't already, from her toddler room into this room. So one of the most important things that I've learned throughout this decorating journey while owning my house over 5 years is that I don't want to continue to decorate bedrooms and spend all this money for a nursery or a toddler room. I just want my designs for children's rooms from now on to be something that they can grow with, and so that would avoid spending a ton of money. And I feel like this room can be easily transitioned out without having to spend a ton of money, and so I'm so happy that my daughter loves it right now. She thinks it's like a crazy cat room, and even though there's not that much cat stuff, but it's just enough, and I love how everything turned out. I hope you guys like it too. I will be listing where I purchased everything down in the description bar. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.